name is Lisa Winstanley and I'm a design educator and practicing designer. Working on this project has given me the opportunity to raise awareness of issues of visual plagiarism in an applied arts context and to give students the chance to consider their own ethical standpoint. The workshop's intended to be less about being in a classroom and more about learning through doing. It's active learning and the printed collaterals are designed to help make that possible. This can be a really confusing topic as there are so many mixed signals around. For example, people think that it's okay to download and use images from Google. However, the majority are actually copyright protected. This workshop doesn't propose any definitive answers. I'm not even sure if there are any. But what it does do is get students to engage in conversations they may not necessarily have had, talking about concepts that they may not have been aware of, and then they can determine their own opinions from an educated perspective. It's my aim that if we can engage students now, before they enter the creative industry, that this will help to instill an ethical mindset into their creative practice, and in turn help to foster a culture of trust. This project gives students the tools to make choices that not only benefit their own design practice, but it also helps them to consider the impact those choices might have on a wider audience. Ultimately, emphasising that creative problem solving should not be cut and paste.